Kanglatombi ki Namdilong area da security force Singna Khongjangloi Singda Chatthakhiba Thawongbu United NAGA Council na AKANBA MAWONGDA YANINGDABA PHONGDORAKLI United NAGA Council ki maikay digi PHONGDORAKPADA security force Singna atumba wayel PBU haina Khongjang Changsiliba Singda on Sinduna Chatthakhiba Thawong adu yamna laibak thibani laingak asina miyam bu ngak senba ngamdre amadi laingak asi matik chadaba laingak ama oire liangmai naga taruk ki atumba wayel fina bagidamak laingak asina chathariba investigation processing asi naga miyam gi apenba oide naga singbu namsinanaba military aggression tathabana liangmai naga taruk achuma wayel nathaiduna thamba ngamloi amadi makhatana naga taba mafam ama hektada asigumba thawong chathaba tawbigen haiba wafam sing thamlakle.
Today, the Office of the United NAGA Council, in no uncertain terms, condemned the unfolding war-like situations in the Namdilong areas, Kanglatombi, causing several injuries to the civilians, including women. It is reported that number of protesters are being arrested for sustaining serious injuries and selling of their cars even at the vicinities in the private residences also. So this kind of militarizations, military aggressions and creating a war-like solutions is very unfortunate. Yes, government in this regard, we must say that, maintain that they have totally failed to protect the life and properties of the Naga people. Nagas are the victim indeed, but what is deeply and unacceptable is the repeated patterns of persecuting the victims. The Nagas who are victims are being harassed, intimidated, persecuted again and again. Such unfair and unjust treatment is indeed unfounded in the democratic society. We are not satisfied with the present investigation process. We want to expedite it with seriousness and with the strong will of the central government as well as the state government to deliver justice. The continuation of deployment of state forces and increasing militarization in Naga areas will never solve the problem. History has proven time and again that military solution is not a solution at all.
After today's incident, what is the UNC's message?
It's high time for the government to address the core issue and settle the matter once and for all, instead of resorting to suppression and forces. The issue of infamous massacre of 6 Naga men cannot be buried under the military boots. The government must be held accountable and justice must be delivered to the victims and the Naga people. We therefore demand the government to immediately stop all form of military aggressions in Namdilong areas and other Naga areas and focus its energy